come out here in the middle, everyone can see you and hear you.
Well, we practically, I just worked it out by saying that if I high-fived everyone, that's 3. And then that means that no one else would high-five me. So then I'm out, so that's 3.
So let's act this out. Do this as you act it out.
1, 3, that's 3. And then so I'm out, and then
I'll high-five you.
But I've already high-fived you.
Just us 2.
So then you just high-five those 2. 3, 4, 5, and then those 2. Yeah.
So what did you finish up with? You did 3, 2, 1, and none. Now, did you actually do no high fives?
No, I was the 1.
You were sort of on the receiving end.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just stay there. Another group of 4. Do you have another way of explaining it?
We did it a different way. We're a group of 5.
Okay.
To explain our own stuff.
Yeah. All right. Why don't you do that?
Okay. Well, I just thought of it as though high-fiving was something you did to someone. So it was like everyone took a turn at high-fiving everyone else, and that in that case everyone would do it twice, which made it like 5 times 4, because you would high-five the other 4 people in the group, and that made it 20 high-fives. Yeah.
So you had 20 high fives for your group?
Yeah, because I would high-five them, and then she would high-five.
So can you come down here and be the teacher with this group of 4 and explain it with this group of 4?
No.
Come on.
Really?
Yeah,
what
really.
am I doing? Explaining it to them.
Yeah, you've got a group of 4. Explain how you accounted for 4 people.
Okay, so everyone in the group takes a turn at high-fiving everyone else in the group. So you high-five all 3. And then this person will high-five the other 3. And same with you. Same with you. Do like a Mexican way.
Okay.
So each person high-fives 3 times, and there's 4 people in the group.
So there are 4 people. You high five with each other person.
Mm-hmm.
So you said 4 threes are 12. So there were 12 high fives.
Yeah.
In this case, whereas you came up with 6. So stay there. Stay there. Thank you, David. So I want you to explore this now and see if you get out from the explanation from everybody else why you got 12 and they got 6. And you're counting the same thing.
Because different ways of thinking.
Different ways of
Interpreting.
thinking.
Different ways of looking at a problem and finding a solution.
I think it was the way you phrased the question. You didn't say everybody high five everybody. You said everybody needs to high five, each person. So if I high five Megan and then everybody else, Megan doesn't need to high five me when it's her turn because she's already done it to me, and that's why they only got 6 and they got 20.
It's like when you said to someone, like, if you were to say, oh, Nikki, this is Stacey, and I was like, how you going? And then you said, oh, Stacey, this is Nikki. I remember you didn't need to high five you back. Yeah. Like, they just high five to me, they touch me.
And this is one of the issues, that when you actually phrase a problem, you actually are stating something in words or written or in some other form.
You need to be explicit.
You have to be very clear what it is you're actually trying to count. So in this case, I can see 6 as being a correct answer. I can also see 12 being a correct answer. So if you actually think of it socially, what answer do you think would be the one that's more socially 6? Because when you do the high fives or shake hands or whatever, how many times have you done it? You've only done it once rather than twice. So 6 is the natural one. So how do we get from 12 to 6?
Well, I was thinking it was a mathematical problem, so I was looking at it from like that kind of perspective, and then thinking that if you were high-fiving, you would do that, to everyone, sort of thing. Does that make sense? Like, I interpreted high-five as like that's something you do to someone, so, yeah.
Can I just say, 12 is a great answer.
Thank you.
It's a really good answer. It's a really good answer because if you had 100 people, and you said 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus 97, it would take you a heck of a long time. Your way is much quicker, as long as you do one more thing at the end of it.
Yeah.
And why do you halve it?
Because it's only one action, even though it's two people.
Yeah.
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 So that you don't double count.
So this is the key word. If you do it this way, with the 12, you're actually double counting because you're counting it from this side and also counting it from that side. So a common way in mathematics to help sort out things is to actually count things more than you need, in this case double counting, and then you divide by 2 when you're finished to get to the sort of normal answer. Okay? Right. So thank you very much. We've still got more to do on this, but that's a good start.
That's a very good start. Thanks, Ian. Hopefully this will come back.
We've got to be one thing.
Oh, yeah. So of course those people who said 15 because they had a group of 6, if we'd used, so who had the group of 6 by the way? How did you do it? Did you do 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we originally came up with 30 and then we worked